welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanaka. If you are new, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Today we have some volume, as you could already see, and I'm absolutely loving it. I have natural 4C hair, and if you've already seen on my Instagram or wherever you follow me, I frequently post what my natural hair looks like, and I have shrinkage, like not regular shrinkage, I have shrinkage. And I absolutely love it sometimes, but I also want some volume, and shrinkage is a sign of good healthy hair. But girl, sometimes I just be wanting to feel like a diva, and this wig is absolutely giving that. And I have been sent this wig by Natural Hair Rocks. It's a company based in Nigeria, and it's a quick and easy solution to getting you that volume that also looks and feels like your natural 4C hair. If you love this look, continue to watch and see also how I blend my 4C colored hair into this 1B wig. First off, we're going to talk about the hair and how it arrived here, etc. So it came within a week, straight from Nigeria. Simple packaging. I really liked it. It comes in a clear packaging, and my favorite thing about this brand, Natural Hair Rocks, is that they also give you this really nice shopper bag, and you can just use it for your normal day-to-day stuff, and this is really cool. And then another cute thing that really comes in the packaging is this notepad. Now I'm going to be using this, of course, to journal and to write just any random stuff, because gorgeous girls journal as well. I really love the texture of the hair. The texture of the hair feels like my own 4C hair. So as you can see, the hair is actually black. And if you've been following me for a while now, you know that my hair is actually caramel. Gorgeous girls do their own cornrows, and sometimes it's a mess. I'll be using this L'Oreal, it says Magic Retouch, and people mostly use this for their roots, but I'm going to be using this all over the hair, and this like costs like £3 in Boots or Superdrug. So yeah, it's pretty simple to use, and you can wash this out within like one wash, and one bottle, it says you can use up to 25 uses. So this is pretty good as a quick fix if you don't want to permanently color a leave out. So I also parted a middle part because I thought it would suit me more, and I plaited it because I wanted it to kind of match the flow of the hair, because my hair itself is like, the shrinkage is absolutely insane sometimes. So yeah, plaiting it kind of stretches it. I've been absolutely loving the amount of black businesses catering towards coarse hair. I'm here to support any black businesses that are selling textured 4C hair. And yeah, this is one of the companies that actually firstly reached out to me, and I was like, yeah, this is like something I've been wanting for a while, because if you've seen in my videos, I do have like 4C, but my shrinkage, woo baby, it's a lot. And as much as I love my shrinkage, I feel like it kind of limits the amount of hairstyles I get to do. It doesn't, but it does at the same time, because I feel like I've always wanted like really big fluffy afro, and I don't get to have that. So having this wig is like, oh my gosh, I am in my diva mode. So yeah, it brings out the Sasha Fierce in me, and yeah, I'm absolutely here for it. Okay, so now that you have taken out your 2 French plaits, you're going to start spraying your hair, and you're going to need some gloves because this is going to get real messy. Just going to spray. As you can see, woo, the hair is already turning black, and I'm just going to massage that in. See how messy it is. And the tips. And you want to make sure that you're spraying it away from your face. That way you don't mess up your makeup. Look at the difference. Black, brown. Spray, I guess, the back. And then I think we are done with this side. And then again, make sure you're spraying away from your face. Now I'm massaging that in so it can seamlessly blend. I think we did a good job. See how easy that was? Within seconds, your hair is already black and you don't need to get a permanent dyer. Voila, thank me later. So you have 3 clip-ins at the front, 1 on the side, 1 on the other side, and then 1 in the middle. And then you also have 1 in the nape at the back. So we're going to be using this, and then you also have this hook so you can secure the wig at the back. I'm going to clip in. Oh, this feels nice. And it doesn't, like, you know when sometimes you put clip-ins and it literally tugs and pulls onto your cornrows? And this really doesn't do that, so that's a really good plus. And then again on the other side, and then in the middle, secure that. And then in the back, I'm going to secure it again. Just gonna add some bobby pins just on the sides. The pro with this wig is that it doesn't have clip-ins on the side. I find that when wigs have clip-ins on the side, it's really pulling and tugging on your edges. I'm not really trying to lose edges all because of the wig, so I'm just gonna put some bobby pins, and these bobby pins are just gentle on my hairline. And then now onto the part of trying to blend this in. I'm going to just part that gently and part the other side, and just spreading the hair. So as you can see already, it's like seamlessly blended into my hair. And one thing I really love about this wig is that the weft is not thick. As you can see, the band is like super like, they've tried to make it as thin as possible, that way it's like easy to blend in. Have done a good job. And if you want to just make your curls pop out a bit, you can add some water to the wig. So this is just water with conditioner, and it just renews those curls. That's why I'm adding a bit more water. But yeah, look at the curls. It looks amazing. To get a nice clean parting, I'm just going to get some concealer and use a brush and basically add some concealer to my middle parting, and that will just like bring out the parting just a little bit more. As you can see, there is a difference. So yeah, the wig has come alive and I absolutely love this wig. I just feel like it's just like an easy quick fix for every single day, whenever you want to feel like a diva, whenever you want to add volume to your hair. And I love it. The texture, 10 out of 10. It doesn't even feel like I have a wig on, so I'm absolutely in love. So do check out Natural Hair Rocks, and if you love this video or if you want more natural hair videos, then do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.